Empower, prevent, save. Welcome to Tech Safety Lines, your trusted partner in safety equipment and global wind organization training solutions. Tech Safety Lines continues to expand its GWO course offerings, establishing itself as the ultimate one-stop shop for your GWO certification needs. Located in Dallas, Texas, our 40,000 square feet climate-controlled training facility stands as a testament to our commitment to providing the best learning environment. Boasting cutting-edge technology, our state-of-the-art facility and training props recreate realistic scenarios, allowing students to hone their skills in a controlled setting.
Off to the races.
Led by a team of seasoned and certified instructors, we bring real-world expertise to the classroom. Our philosophy revolves around hands-on learning, ensuring that our students gain the skills directly applicable to their work in the field. Tech Safety Lines applies our wind industry expertise to our vast GWO course offerings: basic safety training, advanced rescue training, enhanced first aid, basic technical training, control of hazardous energies, slinger signaler, instructor qualification, and blade repair. At Tech Safety Lines, we not only meet industry standards, we set them. Our unwavering focus on safety combined with our commitment to excellence makes us the premier choice for GWO training and beyond.
Coming in fast, open the throttle, my foot on the gas. I'm on the spaz, nothing that I cannot do if you ask. Let them know. We on the way right now, here we go. You cannot stop the unstoppable. Nothing for me is impossible. I'm feeling alive.
Tech Safety Lines takes pride in being part of GWO's mission for an injury-free work environment in the wind industry. Join the ranks of professionals who have chosen Tech Safety Lines for their GWO training needs. Experience the difference where safety meets excellence.